So before we installed the 3rd gen swap kit, I did have my tuner come over and install EFI Live, and it was smoky. And as you might be able to get a shot here, it has cleaned that up dramatically. If I'm heavy into the throttle, I might just get a puff, but it cleans up instantly and the smokiness is gone. In my personal experience, if you're looking for an upgraded turbo for your 6.7, go with the DPS 3rd gen swap kit. It lines up with the stock locations, exhaust outlet, intercooler. Has less parts than a 2nd gen, but same performance level. Save you some bones. And if you add the Turbonator VGT to it, it's even better.